Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome back to the Black Wall Street FX channel, man. I'm your host, Charles, man. Hey, we on the second phase of Holo Prime. We only need 5% to get funded 500K. You know what I mean? So big ups to us. I'm here about to put this position in. All right, I guess this, I don't know what's going on. Come on, bro. But we finally in here. So this right here is what we need to pass the account. I'm not gonna necessarily hold it here, but I mean, as long as price action hold up, then I will. But y'all seen the funny business going on, but we in the trade now. Of course, I'm going in 2%, and we're gonna see how it go. I'll be back with a update whenever an update present itself. This is a solid trade though. The fundamentals support dollar bullish. That means I'm bearish on euro, and hopefully we can just get in on a continuation. Shoulder, head, shoulder, retested the neckline. You know that's my favorite pattern. Hey man, ain't nothing else really to explain. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. I'm hoping we can get in on some continuations. I would have loved to get got in yesterday up this way, but I didn't have my accounts prepped for it, so we lost out on that opportunity. I'm just hoping I can get in on this retest of the neckline, and I hope we get some continuation. Other than that, man, I ain't gonna talk y'all head off, man. Y'all see what's going on after the update. So 5%, man, 5%. And we funded traders 500K. So, you know what I mean? Pray for me in the comments. You know what I mean? Just a quick little update. But I ain't gonna lie. If I was a gambler, when the price just came back in this area right here, if I was a gambler, I'm not gonna add no position though. You know what I mean? We're gonna stand pat. But if I was a gambler though, if this was my live account, I would take opportunity to tighten up that stop loss a little bit. And add another, at least 1% right now. And we will probably pass the account faster. I was up about 1,000. We getting this little retrace the tap the neckline. I could have added that extra position on, and probably would have helped me pass faster or would have put me in debt faster. So that's the main reason why I'm not gonna touch it. I'm just gonna stick with my original $2,000 position. But I ain't gonna lie, boy, I thought about putting another $1,000 on that, and let's go ahead and knock this out today. You know what I mean? But that's the thinking that be getting me sometimes. I be putting myself in trouble with all these. This probably the 4th, 5th time I done been on second phase this year. And this right here is what kind of get me, either push me there faster or throw me back in a hole deeper. So I'm not going to do nothing. I just wanted to make this recording, just to let y'all know, man. Hey, I almost thought about it, but I'm going to stay pat, man, with the 2 positions. So, you know what I mean? We'll go ahead and delete that. I'm not doing that. But if it play out, just know it could have played out faster. But we'll get back with y'all, man, with a real update, man. Something I was thinking about. I just go ahead and put it on camera. I don't even know if it's gonna make it or not, but yeah. What's going on, Black Wall Street fam, man? We back with another video, man. Just want to give you a little update on euro dollar. You know what I mean? We finally in the green, boy. We kept going 500, 700, then negative 300, 400, and I just wanted to put a little update out there. I think something was going on. I believe Iran. Okay, hold on. Since this popped up, we'll go ahead and do this. This right here is the fundamentals. Like I said, I do not take trading signals off of this. I only use it for fundamentals. So whatever they score, they fundamentals, they technicals on, it's bearish. I use my own technicals, but economic growth is bearish, jobs is bearish, inflation is bearish, sentiment is bearish, and sentiment is a contrarian signal. So the crowd is bullish. Since the crowd is bullish, it's a thing in trading where they say go against the retailers. You want to be with the institutions. So the crowd bias is retailers. Since the retailers are bullish, we trying to go bearish with the institutions, or them, or they, whoever those pronoun people. And then net COT. That's dim and day. The weekly change is bearish. So that what gave me my confidence to put the position in with my technicals. Okay, so we got some good talks now. It was something came out like 4 or 5 hours ago. It was like that the Iran walked out on the representatives of the United States. They walked out on them, and I believe that had the DXY pushing hard. You know what I mean? Because everybody was selling the dollar for them. Yeah, we finally getting the push for the dollar, but around this area right here. But they was really trying to, them bears really was stepping in on the DXY. But I'm glad these bulls had their coffee this morning, boy, because we needed that push. So currently, this is like I said, this is right here is the position. We definitely having a good push now. Welcome back to the channel, gang. This your boy Black Wall Street FX. You know what I'm saying? I'm just giving you a check-in before market rollover. We are up 1978. Market rollover will be here in a little bit, and you know, them spreads get real stupid. But I was thinking about getting out of this position and then re-entering during London, but I mean, I feel like I got enough leverage or enough area to where I'm just gonna let it ride out. This is my stop loss. This is my take profit. I added a take profit for like 5,200. So you know what I mean, if I can hit that, that should give me, you know, enough leeway within all 5 of my accounts to go 200 over. Then I just probably have to do like 0.01s to finish it out. So we're gonna see. Don't mind that count restrictions. Them is past account, so of course you can't trade on them no more. But I think I got enough area, man. What I got a 28.28 pip stop loss, and then I got about 27 pips in profit. So over 50 pips, man. I don't think they majors pip spread been that bad, but they exotics though and minus, oh my god, been terrible. But I'm gonna go ahead and hold. I'm just gonna see what I can get out of it. You know what I mean? We right here in another area of interest. So I'm hoping that we can get some more rejection and just come on and melt down, man. I know that's what you want to do. Just come on and melt down, man, and hit my TP. This is a rare TP sighting on my channel too, because y'all know I don't set TPs. This right here is the DXY. This is concerning me, a little bit of rejection, but man, I'm gonna try to man up and hold and just see what it want to do. I'm in a good position. Let's just see what it want to do. And doing Asian, if I see something I don't like, then I guess I make my decision from there. But right now, man, I'm gonna try to go ahead and hold. That's the decision I'm gonna make. I'm gonna try to sit here and hold. So I just wanted to give y'all an update. Most of the time my updates be on my phone, so since I'm at the crib, you know what I mean, can't sleep, I might as well go ahead and give you the update in person, and you can see what's going on. 1978 profit, up 1.9% on the account. I feel like we got, you know what I mean, I feel like we can make it. At least I'm hopeful. So man, I ain't gonna talk your head off no more, man. It's Black Wall Street FX, man. We'll be back with another update. Hopefully, it'll be we hit TP and passed and get 500K funded, you know what I mean, and start making some real moves out here, or as we break even, or shit, we hit stop loss. It's gonna be something. Holla at your boy, man. We up out here, bro. Good morning, good people. Welcome back to the Black Wall Street FX channel, man. Hey, it's Tuesday the 23rd. I'm just here with an update. I would love to tell you I was funded. I would love to tell you I was funded right now with this trade. You see it on the screen. I pulled out the trade. Around here, we just started wicking a lot, And I'm gonna be honest, right now I'm micromanaging the trades a little too much. I'm a swing trader. I don't even know why I'm micromanaging it. So, but it a whole lot of dojis, whole lot of wicks. So I got out for this 1793. I did hold it over, roll over time, but I just didn't see what I wanted to see. During London, I got back in. You know what I mean? With a slightly better stop loss. I hit TP. I wasn't in it. I got out right here for 1156. This right here, I would have got funded. I'm funded 500K right now had I did nothing.
Come on,
even
man.
This position right here, I don't hit TP. This TP don't hit on this. Had I did nothing, I'm funded. That's 2 lost opportunities.
Gotcha, bitch.
Now, of course, you see this red right here in the background running. I'm gonna be honest. I don't even have no rhyme or reason why I even got in the trade. I don't have no rhyme or reason why I got in. This was just I said earlier. When I get to these second stages, man, I be so pressed to try to get it done that day. This what this right here was. I just got to keep it real, and that's why I'm glad that I'm recording this, because now later on I can come back and just see, like, why in the fuck did you do that? So I basically bet all the profits trying to get me a 1-to-1. You can see, let's pull up. You see 27, 26, 26, 26, 25. I basically need 2,500. I just went ahead and bet 2,500 trying to get a 1-to-1. I don't have no analysis for this. And I'm not going to sit here and lie to you. I don't have no analysis on this. I was just hoping to get a bounce, try to get a little 1-to-1, man, so I can go ahead and get this done. And I done been down over $1,000. It done came back down to like 3. And now we're at $500 to $600. I could have closed out, but I said, you know what? This the 3rd trade of the week. I'm gonna stick to my trading plan, so I'm not gonna close out of it. I mean, if it somehow give me that bounce and take profit, but it's gonna be one of the luckiest trades I done took on the series so far. If it don't, worst case scenario, hey, I'm up 200. 100. It's basically a fresh account going in the next week. You know what I mean? So I'm not gonna close out because I need to feel the pain of this, whether I hit or I don't hit. I'm just gonna sit through this. Again, I only take 3 trades a week. I've been breaking that plan the last couple of weeks, so I'm gonna stick to it. So whatever this right here do, I'm just gonna let it do, and we'll deal with it next week. Best case scenario, we get them emails, we 500K funded. Worst case scenario, I'm up $100, $200 going to the next week with a fresh account. But I gotta break this cycle of being on the second phase and only needing $1,000, $2,000, couple $100, and feeling like I gotta get it done that day. So that's why I said I'm just gonna let it play out. Like right now, I can close it out, still be up 21. But I jumped in the trade. I gotta stop jumping in and out of trades. That's the reason I ain't funded right now. You know what I mean? This right here. Had I left good enough alone, boy, I'm showing y'all 5 emails and signing my paperwork so I can be max funded with Holo Prime. 2 opportunities, and I still messed it up. So it is what it is. We're gonna get better. At least this account survived, because normally with me, I get pissed off if I crash an account, but I'm trying to display better emotional control. So we're gonna let this trade do what it want to do. Again, I don't really have an analysis. Just hoping this was a higher high and hoping we can get a bounce just to get this 1-to-1. And I shouldn't be in this trade because I'm not a scalper. I'm a swinger. So I think I said this on my last video. Anytime I try to do something out of the norm, I always get fucked. Man. So you do shit, you get shit. This EU trade definitely was interesting, because this right here almost took me out. This right here was another one of them. I'm talking about, what's that, 1, 2, 3 pips. I'm like, okay, yeah, I'm about to lose money on this. And look at God. You know what I mean? And I should have just trusted God and let it ride. All I had to do was do nothing. All I had to do was do nothing. Both positions hit. All I had to do was do nothing. Trust your analysis. But it's 8 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all ride. Probably get one more video out of me. Hey, this trade was lucky we hit. Or hey, we going in the next week with a fresh account. So either or. It's Tuesday. I'm not taking no more trades. This is a wrap. I'm gonna stick to my plan, and we're gonna figure something out.